भैया myself Chandramouli Moria. I am discussing the solution of paper NET UG 2013 biology. Paper code is W. I am discussing the solution of question number 179. This is a simple question. Global warming can be controlled by, first option is reducing deforestation, cutting down use of fossil fuel. This is the correct answer. Other options are, second option, reducing reforestation, increasing the use of the fossil fuel. No. Reducing reforestation, it does not reduce the global warming, as it leads to cut down of the forest, and also increasing use of fossil fuel, because the major cause of global warming is the increased concentration of greenhouse gases, which will increase due to the increased use of the fossil fuel. Third option is also incorrect, increasing deforestation. Deforestation leads to cut down of the forest. Third one is slowing down the growth of human population. It is nothing with connection with the global warming. And fourth option is also incorrect, increasing deforestation, reducing efficiency of energy use. Deforestation will decrease the sink, means cut down of the forest, decrease the sink of the greenhouse gases, which leads to increase in global warming. And the efficiency of energy use, it should be increased. So the correct answer of this question is first option, reducing deforestation, means demoralizing the deforestation or cut down of the forest, and reducing the use of the fossil fuel. We have to find the other non-conventional energy resources to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases, so leads to decrease in global warming. Thank you very much.